Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bernie and I'm very excited for today's video because a lot of you out there actually want to start your own YouTube journey, and I really wanted to keep today's video very candid and very raw. I did get few questions from you all if you can start a YouTube channel in 2025. How do we start it? I'm not very confident. How do we go about all of this? And I have a story to tell, and also I'll be answering a lot of the questions that I received. So I'm very excited. So let's quickly get started. So, a lot of you out there always ask me, is it too late to start a YouTube journey in 2025? The answer is no, but I have a story to tell you all, okay, to share. So, I wanted to start my YouTube journey in the year 2014, like almost a decade before, and I was not very confident. I really wanted everything to be perfect. I really wanted a good camera. I really wanted good lighting. And I was like, no, I'll do it later, and years passed by, and then it was almost a decade. So I am like that example who have been such an underconfident child, and also someone who really wanted perfection, and that was a whole reason that I really did not start up, and I really regret that. But having said that, everything has its own time. So all I would like to tell you all is just start it. Do not think what the competition is. Don't think what people are going to say. If you feel that you really have that power of creativity, if you can really think something out of the box, if you really think that you're very good at something, let it be anything like skincare, you know, or cooking or baking, or you're really good in speaking and having that sense of changing someone's life through motivational speeches, or vlogs and all of those. I really feel you just have to start, and that's about it. And I'm going to talk about a lot about this in the upcoming sections, but I think all I would like to tell you all is it's not late. There are a lot of people out there, I do agree. Like, there are creators who create their own account every single day. I mean, so many of them are like logging in, creating content. And all I would like to tell you all is, if you really think that this is something that you love and not because someone else is doing it, so I have to do it. If you really think that your content is going to be very different and you're going to be super proud of your content, then all I would like to tell you all is just start. Just pick up your camera, just start recording, just upload it, and everything else will be taken care by YouTube. All you need to do is just be confident and have trust in yourself. That's about it. So, the next question I get asked a lot about is, do I need a camera to get started, like a DSLR? And the answer is absolutely not. When I started my journey about few months ago, like literally few months ago, I used to shoot my videos with just my phone, and that too from front camera, not from back camera. I know it is always advisable that you have to, shoot it from the back camera, but me being me, I really wanted everything to be like proper. Maybe I record something and I just did not click the start button, right? So I really wanted to make sure that whatever I'm doing, uh, I have to be seen. I know that what I am actually recording, or what I'm saying and how I'm looking. So I used to use like the front camera. Just imagine the quality that hampered. But I knew that over time I'm going to learn, I'll understand. And over a few months, I've really understood what works for me and what is not working out for me. And eventually, you guys will also learn. You all will learn what is working out for you, what is not working out for you. You will understand how you want to change things. But for now, all you need is like a basic good camera wala phone. That's about it. And then, if you can invest on something, you can absolutely invest in a mic, because all you need is a good content. You need like a good audio, and you need a good lighting. Lighting is pretty simple. just get your sun wherever there is sun, natural light, just get that. दैट्स अबाउट इट। जब भी आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि आफ्टरनून के टाइम पे, ये टाइम पे, गोल्डन आवर के टाइम पे बहुत प्यारा लाइट आता है आपके फेस पे, शूट एट दैट टाइम। दैट्स अबाउट इट। Or you don't need anything else. You don't need lighting. You don't need like nothing you need for now. No soft box, nothing. Just get like a good sunlight, natural light, and bus. All you can invest is in a mic, और कुछ नहीं करना है आपको, एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी सॉर्टेड। एंड ये माइक्स भी आपको काफ़ी सस्ता मिल जाता है ऑनलाइन ऑन Amazon. यू विल गेट इट फॉर अबाउट 700-800 rupees. In case you want me to recommend something, just put that in the comments and I'll just share the link with you all in the comments. Okay, so let's move on to another question. So the next question is, what niche should I pick? Now let's understand what niche is. Niche is very very simple. Niche का मतलब होता है cooking या skincare या vlogs या travel or reviews on electronics or reviews on food or anything that you love, but you have to remember these three things. Okay, number one, what do you love? What are you passionate about? What will you speak about? Okay, ये number one है। नंबर टू है व्हाट पीपल आर लुकिंग फॉर। आपको यह भी देखना है कि आपको जो पसंद है आप ऐसे ही नहीं डाल सकते हो। यू ऑल्सो हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट वट एवर कॉन्टेंट यू आर गोना पुट, पीपल आर ऑल्सो सर्चिंग फॉर इट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुकिंग ले लेते हैं। कुकिंग में वी नो दैट पीपल आर गोना सर्च फॉर दाल मखनी और मे बी चिकन और मे बी फिश। यू नो दैट दे आर गोना सर्च फॉर इट बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली like me, a lot of us don't know how to cook, and our first search वाला पेज जो होता है वो YouTube होता है. So we go there, we just search and we get so many recipes out there, right? So you also have to understand what people are searching for and how do you understand that, and that also I'll cover in the future questions because there is a lot of questions about that. But like I said, number one, what do you love speaking? Number two is what people are searching for. You also have to align with that. And number three is जो आप बात करने वाले हो, how much you are going to be consistent with it. So for example, if I love to speak about skincare, now मुझे लगता है मैंने एक मॉर्निंग रिचुअल बना दिया, लाइक मॉर्निंग स्किन केयर रूटीन, नाइट स्किन केयर रूटीन, देन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सर्टन प्रोडक्ट्स एंड I am bored, I don't know what to speak about. Then there is a challenge because which means that you're not passionate about that thing, because if you love skincare, you're going to go search about a lot of stuff. You will keep your skill, you will keep yourself updated with a lot of things कि क्या कर सकते हैं, what is happening. Like for example, I made like a topic on sunscreen, which a lot of people have not spoken about. Like बहुत सारे sunscreen है in the market which is actually toxic, and people are not talking about it. It actually impacts our internal hormones and also goes inside our bloodstream. So I spoke about that, and that also in one day had actually crossed 500 views, which was really great according to me for the startup I am. So I was very very happy with the response, and there was so many comments, like more than 10 plus comments on that. So I was very very excited. So really have to understand that whatever you put it out there, you have to be very very consistent. So आप एक तो आप अगर आपको फॉर एग्जांपल व्लॉग्स करना है, तो आप आपका ऐसा चैनल बना सकते हो, यू टॉकिंग अबाउट व्लॉग्स, दैट यू आर डूइंग certain things and you're recording that and then posting it. Then you can talk about lifestyle where you also want to do something like skincare and also fashion, or you also want to do like vlogs, you also want to share your day to day life. You can also club everything in it. बट हैविंग सेड दैट यू कैन नॉट क्लब समथिंग लाइक फूड भी कर रहे हो और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स भी कर रहे हो, तो वो थोड़ा-सा कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा आपका ऑडियंस कि एग्जैक्टली ये चैनल पे क्या मिलेगा. सो यू रियली हैव टू बी लाइक प्रॉपर इन डिसाइडिंग व्हाट योर नीश इज, एंड इफ योर नीश कैन बी इंटरकनेक्टेड एज वेल. फॉर एग्जांपल, माय चैनल इज ऑल अबाउट स्किन केयर, वेलनेस, फर्टिलिटी, फूड एंड लाइफस्टाइल एंड ब्लॉग्स, बिकॉज ये लाइफस्टाइल सब आ जाता है, तो एवरीथिंग इट कनेक्ट, सो दैट आई नो दैट आई एम connecting with my audience. I am not reviewing like products and just telling them कि हाँ रिव्यू कर दिया खत्म. I want to connect with my audience. So that is my niche. So you have to decide what is your niche and you have to be super, super consistent with it. Okay, so the fun and most important question is, how do I get my 1,000 subscribers? Now, let's dig in. Number one, you have to be super, super consistent. If you decide that you are going to post two long format videos every week, you have to post two long form videos. आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हो, आप 2 करोगे एंड उसके बाद आप बोलोगे नहीं यार मन नहीं कर रहा है तो मैं 1 ही डालता हूँ, या थर्ड वीक बोलोगे चल ये हफ्ते नहीं डालूँगा, फोर्थ वीक में आई विल जस्ट पुट 4. इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प. You have to be very, very consistent. For example, I post my videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 9 p.m. and I know that over time my audience will know कि अच्छा मेरा videos ये 3 दिन में आता है around 9 p.m. and they know कि अच्छा we can go and watch her videos. So it is very, very important that you put that mark so that people recognize you, people understand you. So ये बहुत important है to be consistent. Consistency छूट गया तो आप कभी ग्रो नहीं कर पाओगे, वेरी टू बी वेरी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. और दूसरा है दैट यू हैव टू गो एंड सी व्हाट पीपल आर लुकिंग फॉर. सो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप यूट्यूब पे जाते हो एंड देयर इज अ सर्च thing, right? So you go and you put something like how to bake, and आपको आप जैसे डालोगे ना how to bake, आगे आ जाएगा how to bake a cake, how to make डोसा, और how to make chicken gravy, और ये सब आपको आ जाएगा. So you know that people are actually searching for these topic. This is one way of searching. तो आप उस पे एक वीडियो बना सकते हो. The next one is there is a website called as vidIQ. I'll just pop it over here. It is so you can log in over there and वो आपको actually बताएगा कि क्या ट्रेंडी टॉपिक्स है. देयर इज अ कॉलम कॉल्ड एज आइडियाज, सो आप वहाँ पे जा सकते हो. यू कैन गेट अ लॉट ऑफ आइडियाज ओवर देयर. इट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प यू टू अंडरस्टैंड आपका प्रोग्रेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ यूट्यूब. यूट्यूब के अंदर भी एनालिटिक्स करके एक सेक्शन है, देयर ऑल्सो यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन. आप अगर इंस्पिरेशन टैब में चले जाओगे तो वहाँ पे भी आपको दिखेगा अ लॉट ऑफ टॉपिक्स विच यू कैन एक्चुअली कवर. सो यूट्यूब ऑल्सो रियली हेल्प्स यू. सो योर फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट शुड बी द यूट्यूब का एनालिटिक्स वाला पार्ट. देन यू कैन ऑल्सो चेक आउट द थर्ड पार्टी ऐप विच इज़ विद आई क्यू विच विल ऑल्सो हेल्प यू विद द इनसाइट. एंड द थर्ड थिंग इज दैट आपका जो भी कंपेटिटर रहेगा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ यू आर डूइंग लाइक लाइफ स्टाइल और आपको पता है कि आपको इंस्पिरेशन मिला है ये 3 कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स से, you can go to their page, see how they have created videos, what content they are putting, like क्या topic पे बात किया है. You can see, take inspiration from them and then make your videos in your way, be authentic, be raw, and it is just gonna work out. So आप ये भी कर सकते हो. And the next thing is you have to be super engaging. जैसे कम्युनिटी पोस्ट होता है, सो यू कैन एक्चुअली स्पीक लाइक ओवर टाइम. जब आपका एक कम्युनिटी बिल्ड हो जाएगा लाइक 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स, 200 सब्सक्राइबर्स, यू कैन एक्चुअली गो पोस्ट कि व्हाट डू यू वांट टू सी, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू सी नेक्स्ट. डू यू वांट टू सी स्किन केयर और व्लॉग, और you want to talk, or do you want me to do something, just put that in the comments and then you can make like a video on that. That would also be very helpful. You have to be super engaging. Make sure that you comment or reply to every comment that is coming, which is so so crucial in your initial month. आप वो भी कर सकते हो. हाँ, एंड या हैविंग सेड दैट, या दैट्स अबाउट इट. आप ये सब चीज़ें कर लोगे तो आप आराम से 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स ओवर 3 मंथ्स भी अटेन कर सकते हो, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. और टू टॉप इट, अगर आप शॉर्ट्स भी करते हो तो इट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प यू टू रीच अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल सुपर सून. ये भी एक अलग सा टिप है, बट या इट विल रियली रियली हेल्प यू. And also, yes, you can share it on social media, like on WhatsApp, on your WhatsApp groups, or on Instagram, so that if people are really willing to watch any of your videos, then they will watch it. So yes, you can also do that to get like good views for certain period of time in the initial part, and when the community is built eventually, then it is going to be just like a cakewalk, honestly. Okay, this is a very very interesting question कि eventually सबको पैसे चाहिए, right? So the question is how and when will I start earning from YouTube? Now there is certain criterias in YouTube. Actually दो पार्ट है. नंबर वन है कि आप एक तो फर्स्ट 500 सब्सक्राइबर्स क्रॉस कर लो एंड 3000 वॉच टाइम, लाइक वॉच आवर्स कंप्लीट कर लो in 365 days, तो आपको certain perks मिलेगा where you can actually add in your affiliate links, or you can also earn where people are watching your video and they thought that it is very very valuable. तो वो आपको actually ऐसा tip जैसा पे कर देते हैं, इट्स लाइक अ पर्क. एंड इफ यू रियली वांट टू अर्न फ्रॉम यूट्यूब, then the criteria is very simple. It is 1000 subscribers, and then you need 4000 watch hours only for long format. Okay, and then that is for 365 days में आपका 4000 वॉच आवर्स होना चाहिए. और अगर आपको शॉर्ट्स आप कर रहे हो तो शॉर्ट्स में आपको 10 मिलियन व्यूज चाहिए in 90 days. That's the criteria. If you fulfill all this criteria and then you apply for monetization, आपका monetization start हो जाएगा and you can start earning. I'm yet to reach that milestone, but I really hope कि 3-4 months में I will be there. So yeah, like I said, you have to be like super consistent. Just put out valuable content and trust me, the money will follow. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि नहीं हो पाएगा. You have to be super consistent. Put good quality content, and then money will come in eventually. So the next question is, what's the mistake new YouTubers make? Now the answer is just trying to be super perfect. Like I told you, I really wanted good lighting, I wanted DSLR, I wanted a great mic, and that's the reason I was not able to start. Just imagine if I would have started a decade prior, I would have been in a very different position right now. But that's, having said that, that's fine. Everything has its own time, but do not search for perfection. It is completely all right. You will be amazed on watching your first video versus your 100 video, like how much you have grown, and nobody's telling you anything. You have learned from your mistake, and you're like, okay, um, this is not working out, let's do it this way. Then you start experimenting and you understand ki, acha, this is working out. So nothing is perfect. All you have to do is just experiment and you'll be eventually very, very happy. And yes, you have to be super consistent. YouTube, YouTube ka success will not come overnight. You really have to be compassionate, passionate, super consistent with it, and everything will fall into place. So do not search for perfection and do not over expect कि अच्छा ये हो जाएगा, ये नहीं होगा. You have to be very, very consistent. If you put in your hard work for few years, everything will be so, so beautiful. Trust me on that. Okay, so when it comes to mental health, there's this one question that even I asked myself before starting up: how will I tackle with the haters on the internet? Because that is going to impact us so hard. So my thing over few months is, haters are gonna hate because they are not able to do certain things and they really don't want you all to grow. So they are going to hate. All you have to do is just eliminate that. Now when somebody gives you a comment with certain feedback, and if it is really a constructive feedback, take it, work on it. But if you see that this person is just speaking bullshit, delete the comment. Don't even reply, because the more you reply, the person is just gonna get inside your brain. So all I would like to tell you all is just delete the comment or just ignore it. It is gonna be a little hard, but having said that, over time you're going to practice it. There are so many people who say certain things. Like in my case, it is very, very minimal. Like out of like 3-4 months of my journey, I think there would have been like one comment which was very nasty, so I just deleted it and I just moved on. कभी कभी ऐसा ऊपर पढ़ोगे ना, आपको लगेगा कि नेगेटिव है, डिलीट कर दो, पढ़ो भी मत, प्रोसेस ही मत होने दो, just move on. Constructive feedback, take it. Something which you understand that people are jealous and they are being rude for no reason, just delete it, just ignore them, and bus, just take care of your mental peace. So the next question is, what is the best ways to get video ideas? I've already covered. Number one, go to YouTube Analytics. There is a YouTube ka idea section. There you can just put in your ideas and you will get what kind of videos or the keywords that people are looking for. Then you can actually make like a video out of it. Or you can go to vidIQ and see what kind of videos people are making. It will also give you like daily ideas so that you can actually make videos on it. Number three, go to your people. I mean, if you are actually inspired by few people, or if you know that these kind of content creators make something similar to what you want to make, just go to them, see what kind of views they have and what content they have made. take that out of them and then make it in your version, do something different out of it. It is कॉपी करना अलग होता है एंड टेकिंग इंस्पिरेशन अलग होता है. टेक इंस्पिरेशन, डू नॉट कॉपी पेस्ट, and just be raw and authentic, and it will all work out. Okay, so let's take up the last question. What's the number one advice I will give? Number one advice is very, very simple. Take your camera, take your phone, just press the start button, start recording. That's about it. You will eventually learn in the process, and you'll be super amazed on how you are actually, impressing or discovering yourself. You'll be very, very shocked and happy, and you will learn eventually. So, all you have to do is just click that start button, record, edit, and just upload. That's about it, and everything will fall in place. Trust me, I have always been an underconfident baby, but now I think I can just look at the camera and just speak, speak, speak. Yes, so I was saying that I have always been like an underconfident baby, but I think I'm so, so proud on my journey. I mean, how I've transformed. First, I used to look up, where people have also commented, like, why you always look up, look at the camera. And it really took a while to be like, okay, there's nobody in front of me. I have to speak to like an equipment. I'm like, how do I do it? But over time, it's like, it's super fun that there's no one. I know that I can just speak and no one is going to speak back to me. It's kind of fun. And this is just going to happen with practice and, with that entire process. So, yes, I really, really loving the process. And you would also, all you have to do is just click on that button and start, and everything is going to be so, so worth it. I really hope that you loved today's video. It was very different, but I really wanted to cater certain people who really asked me these questions. I'm very, very happy I could do so. If you have any questions, you can just pop that in the comment section below, because trust me, I started my journey in October and it is February today, and I've crossed like 800 subscribers. I mean, I thought I'm going to cross like 1,000 subscribers after a year, like in October. And I'm so amazed, like with consistency and with entire process, I literally crossed like 1,000 subscribers and about 4 lakh views, and I'm so, so happy. I don't know how it happened, but I am so, so grateful. So yeah, if you had any question, pop that in the comment section. I would love to do a part 2. If you are interested, anything, any question you have, just pop it down. And yes, with that, let's end today's video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love.